Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the device and Apple ID are the ones tied to the game. Open Settings on iPhone or System Preferences on Mac, then go straight to Game Center or the App Settings. Once there, find the specific app listed under Connected Apps or Apps using Game Center. Make sure you're signed in and have backup of any game progress if needed. This prevents accidental data loss. Now you're ready to remove the app from Game Center's connections. You'll now perform the detailed disconnection. Tap the game entry and choose Disconnect or Remove from Game Center. On Mac, click the app, then Remove. When prompted, revoke permissions for leaderboards, achievements, and friend access so the app no longer uses your Game Center identity. If the system asks about deleting associated data, read the options carefully. Choose to keep local saves if you plan to reinstall. Once done, double-check the app no longer appears in the Connected Apps list to ensure the disconnection succeeded. Finish by restarting your device to clear any cached connections, then reopen Game Center to verify the app is no longer listed. If it still appears, sign out and back into your Apple ID, or uninstall and reinstall the game, then repeat the removal. This forces a fresh permissions reset. Make sure to check for system updates, because bugs sometimes block removals. If none of this works, contact the game's support. Explain the steps you took, so they can sever server-side links to your Game Center account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.